Designing shoes on Printify is pretty easy thing to do today. I'm going to teach you how you guys confessionally design shoes on Printify. So for that, you have to be at the Printify and you need to log into your account. After logging into your account, you will be at the dashboard. And in the dashboard, you simply have to click on this catalog. And here you have to, I'm just going to select any random of it and I'm going to search for shoes right here. And after searching for shoes, as you guys can see, these are all the kind of shoes that I can edit. So suppose you want to, edit these kind of shoes. So I'm going to click here and it should open up this product. Now here you have to click on this start designing. Now it will open up the shoe designer. Now here you can easily, add a photo from your device. You can easily use AI image generator, custom tags. You can add the images from Dropbox, Google Drive, Shutterstock. Hire someone from the Fiverr who will design the shoes for you. So you just need to design the shoes and, publish it and trust on your guts, trust on your design, and it should sell out. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.